Okay, what's up guys? Welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Okay, in discuss on crypto burn third of Saturday. Larry also now Mr. Wonderful suggested the application like Ethereum-based crypto mixer Tornado Cash are part of crypto crowd culture that shouldn't have a place in the industry. Instead of Larry of the view that crypto needs a rules-based environment in order to attract real institutional capital into the digital asset industry, and much of the religions need to stem out protocol like Tornado Cash, which enable users to count the anonymous transaction and trigger potentially aged and criminal activity. The discussion of Larry Dittenbeck, the arrest to Tornado Cash creator Alexei Perstev stating, "At the end of the day, it's okay to arrest the guy. Why? He messing with the primal process of regulation. If have to such refresh him that's okay, because we want to have some stability in that institutional capital." The venture capitalist said the well-intentional interest in the digital asset sector continues to increase. They are not going to touch it while crypto cowboys are reading the fence. O'Leary passes the until we get in the right of the crop, there will be no stability in the institutional capital, but he believes that the industry slowly but surely weeding in the old cowboys. And I think we are getting to gas stage now. Maybe we are the third or fourth inning tower that, but I am third of crypto cowboy crap and want to get involved in a regulated place where we can bring billions of dollars to work. I don't need to be a crypto cowboy, and I don't want to be a one because I work in the regulated world, but our opinion weighs in the face on the sentiment from many in the space. US government stationing of the Ethereum-based privacy tool last week encouraged many influential crypto figures who defended the need for basic privacy right on the centralized network. Gnosis CEO founder Stephen George was one who defended Tornado Cash, stating to the protocol bring much needed privacy to Ethereum on the breathing open source software should be recognized and expression of free speech. To the third Tornado Cash team is amazing, talented, and brought most needed privacy to Ethereum. And hopefully everyone will recognize again the writing software is an expression of free speech and teach is natural. Stephen George Augustus 12 2022 Chainlink Light developer advocate Patrick Collins also said that decision to remove Tornado Cash. And GitHub account is much worse. The suggesting a website code speech and by dying to the US Treasury is violating the first amendment the US Constitution. It got much worse. Tornado Cash GitHub account and the database has been entirely removed. This is much for the just sessioning a website called the speech were potentially violating the First Amendment. Paging lawyer Patrick Collins, Augustus 8, 2022. And Ethereum educator Anthony Sassano cited in the tweet in the this 200 and active followers that has temporarily banned from the Finance DFI lending protocol. Okay, that's all for me. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye.